Apple is preparing to enter the foldable phone market, and the company's first foldable device, expected to be called the iPhone Fold, is already making headlines for one big reason: the price. According to new reports, this foldable iPhone could cost around $2,399, which is almost twice the price of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Even though it may not become Apple's most expensive product overall, it is set to be one of the priciest iPhones ever released. This information comes from a report by Arthur Liao from Fubon Research, who shared several important insights. He says global smartphone shipments are expected to drop by 4% in 2026, landing at around 1.2 billion units. China's smartphone shipments are also expected to fall by 3%, reaching 275 million units. Apple is not escaping this slowdown either. The report predicts that total iPhone shipments will drop by 4%, ending at around 234 million units. At the same time, the cost of making phones is rising. Component prices are expected to increase by 5 to 6% in 2026. DRAM prices alone are already up more than 75% compared to late 2024. With all of these rising costs, Apple's decision to enter the foldable market becomes even more interesting. It shows the company believes people will still pay a premium if the product offers something special. According to the analyst, Apple expects foldable iPhones to sell a total of 15.4 million units over their lifetime. That may sound small compared to regular iPhone sales, but it's actually a strong number for a brand new product line. For the first full year of sales in 2026, Apple is predicted to sell 5.4 million units of the iPhone Fold alone. The high selling price is mainly due to three costly components: the foldable display panel, the hinge system, and the lightweight materials used in the build. These parts are much more expensive than what Apple uses in regular iPhones. For comparison, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 sells for $1,999, which already feels expensive. But Apple seems ready to go even higher. Even with the high price, the specs of the iPhone Fold show that Apple is aiming for a premium device. It is expected to have a book-style design, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold. The main screen will measure 7.74 inches, giving users a tablet-like experience when unfolded. The cover display will be 5.49 inches, making it useful for regular phone tasks. The main display is expected to have a 2713x1920 resolution with a 4:3 aspect ratio, which should make it great for productivity and reading. One interesting detail is the return of Touch ID instead of Face ID. This could mean Apple plans to place the fingerprint sensor under the display or on the side button. Another highlight is that the display is expected to have no visible crease, which would be a major improvement over most foldables on the market today. Inside, the phone will feature Apple's new A20 Pro chip, paired with 12 GB of RAM and Apple's own C25G modem. These upgrades suggest Apple wants the iPhone Fold to be both powerful and efficient. The rear camera setup will include two sensors, with the main one offering up to 48 megapixels. The inner screen will also house an under-display camera with up to 24 megapixels, keeping the display uninterrupted. Battery life should be strong too, with a capacity expected between 5,400 and 5,800 mAh. That's larger than what we usually see in regular iPhones, and it makes sense because foldable screens require more power. Apple is expected to launch the iPhone Fold in the second half of 2026, giving the company more time to refine the design and ensure durability. Even though the price will be extremely high, Apple knows that many customers value innovation, premium materials, and long-term reliability. For people who want the first Apple foldable experience, the cost may not be a deal breaker. As the foldable market grows and competitors improve, Apple's entry at the top end sets the stage for a new chapter in smartphone design. The iPhone Fold may be expensive, but it could also shape the future of foldables for years to come.